Hokkaido Prefecture, Japan's northern frontier. Hokkaido is Japan's largest and northernmost prefecture, encompassing the entire island of the same name. Characterized by its expansive natural landscapes, temperate summer climate, and distinctive ecology, Hokkaido serves as a prime destination during the summer months. The region is renowned for its flower fields, national parks, seasonal festivals, and culinary specialties. 10 things to do in Hokkaido in summer. 1. Visit the lavender fields of Furano. Furano is widely recognized for its extensive lavender fields, particularly around Farm Tomita. Visitors can enjoy scenic views, fragrant air, and photogenic landscapes, with additional displays of other seasonal flowers. 2. Ride the Furano-Biei Norokko train. This sightseeing train operates between Furano and Biei, offering slow-paced travel through rolling hills and colorful agricultural fields. The open-air and wide-windowed cars provide panoramic views of the rural landscape, making it ideal for photography and leisurely travel. 3. Hike in Daisetsuzan National Park. Daisetsuzan is Hokkaido's largest national park and features mountainous terrain, alpine vegetation, and geothermal activity. Trails vary from easy walks to challenging summit hikes, with Mount Asahidaki, Hokkaido's tallest peak, serving as a key attraction. 4. Cruise Lake Toya. Lake Toya is a caldera lake known for its calm waters and volcanic surroundings. Sightseeing cruises operate during the summer, and nearby attractions include Mount Usu and several onsen, hot spring, resorts. 5. See the Blue Pond in Biei. The Blue Pond, Ike, is noted for its distinctive blue coloration, caused by natural minerals in the water. The stillness of the pond and its surrounding birch trees create a surreal and reflective visual effect that attracts many summer visitors. 6. Explore the Otaru Canal. The Otaru Canal area features restored red brick warehouses along a historic waterway. The area is particularly pleasant in summer, with mild weather and outdoor events. 7. Attend the Sapporo Summer Festival. The Sapporo Summer Festival spans several weeks and includes beer gardens, traditional bon odori dances, and food stalls. It is one of the largest seasonal events in Hokkaido's capital and draws both locals and tourists. 8. View the Hokuryu sunflower fields. The town of Hokuryu hosts one of Japan's largest sunflower festivals, with over 2 million sunflowers blooming across vast fields. The event typically includes a sunflower maze, observation decks, and local product sales. 9. Observe wildlife in Kushiro Marshlands. Kushiro Marsh is Japan's largest wetland and a designated national park. Canoe tours and elevated boardwalks provide access for birdwatching and nature observation. 10. Sample Hokkaido's summer cuisine. Summer in Hokkaido features an abundance of seasonal seafood, including uni, sea urchin, from coastal areas like Shikoden. The region is also known for its high-quality produce such as melons and cherries, available at local markets and roadside stands. Hokkaido in summer offers a wide range of natural and cultural experiences, distinct from the hotter and more humid conditions found in the rest of Japan. Its combination of cool climate, diverse landscapes, and seasonal attractions makes it an ideal destination for travelers interested in outdoor activities, local traditions, and regional cuisine. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.